Another day, another story. Welcome to today's video, where we will be diving into one of the most fascinating and mysterious objects in the universe, a black hole. You may have heard of black holes before, but do you know what's actually inside them? We're going to explore this topic and give you an insight into some of the incredible discoveries we've made about black holes. Firstly, let's break down what a black hole is. It's a region in space with an incredibly strong gravitational pull, so strong that nothing, not even light, can escape once it's been sucked in. This enormous force pulls matter inwards, creating an area of space with a zero volume and infinite density known as a singularity. It's here where things get really interesting since we have no way of observing what's inside a singularity. It's a mystery that scientists have been trying to unravel for decades. However, we do have some theories that have been developed through observations of black holes. One is that they are spinning and have a magnetic field, which can create powerful jets that emit energy. Several studies have shown that the jets are made up of electrons that are accelerated to close to the speed of light, releasing energy in the form of light and radio waves. Another theory is that black holes absorb matter, which causes the emission of X-rays. The matter is heated up as it falls towards the black hole's event horizon, emitting high-energy X-rays in the process. These X-rays can tell us a lot about the environment around the black hole and give us clues about what's inside it. One of the most exciting discoveries in recent years is the existence of gravitational waves, ripples in the fabric of space and time that were first predicted by Einstein's theory of relativity. In 2015, the Laser Interferometer Gravitational Wave Observatory, LIGO, detected gravitational waves created by two black holes merging. This breakthrough gave astronomers insights into the mass, speed, and spin of the black holes and allowed them to make indirect observations about the insides of black holes. In conclusion, even though we don't know for sure what's inside a black hole, we've made significant progress in understanding their characteristics and environment. We've explored the powerful jets that can be created and the X-rays emitted as matter falls towards them. Finally, the discovery of gravitational waves has provided astronomers with an entirely new tool to study black holes and the universe itself. I hope this video will help you to study black holes. We may uncover even more secrets about the universe and its origins. Perhaps we will one day be able to peer inside a black hole and see what lies within. Until then, we will continue to use the tools at our disposal to learn as much as we can about these mysterious objects. Thank you for joining us on this journey of discovery. Thanks for watching.